Adjectives after nouns, the art of postpositive placement. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another fascinating session on the use of adjectives in English grammar. Today, we're diving into a very specific and exciting aspect of adjectives, postpositive adjectives. This is when adjectives, which usually go before the noun they're describing, are placed after the noun. Let's explore this together. In the English language, adjectives are generally placed before the noun they modify, but in certain cases, they're placed after the noun. These are known as postpositive adjectives. For example, instead of saying, the green apple, we might say, the apple green. This is less common but used in certain contexts for emphasis or to follow traditional forms of English. Postpositive adjectives are typically used in a few specific situations. Fixed expressions. These are phrases where the adjective traditionally comes after the noun, such as heir apparent or time immemorial, with a noun that has a modifying clause. When a noun has a clause modifying it, the adjective often comes after to avoid confusion. For example, the man, weary from his travels, finally sat down. With superlatives and ordinal numbers, if you're using a superlative adjective or an ordinal number, the adjective may come after the noun. For example, the best room available, or the first candidate eligible. Even with these rules, there are exceptions. Postpositive adjectives are commonly found in legal, royal, or religious contexts, where formal, traditional language is used. You might hear phrases like court-martial or God Almighty. Another special case is with the pronouns something, anything, everything, nothing. These pronouns usually take postpositive adjectives, as in, there is something strange about this place. Let's understand this better through some examples. Instead of saying, the next available appointment is on Friday, you can say, the next appointment available is on Friday. The only solution possible was to start over, instead of, the only possible solution was to start over. This is the best route possible, rather than, this is the best possible route. Note the subtle shift in emphasis in these sentences when using postpositive adjectives. And there you have it. That's the art of using postpositive adjectives in English. Remember, they're not as common as traditional adjective placement, but they offer a unique way to emphasize or style your English sentences. We hope this video helps you understand when and how to use these special adjectives. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of postpositive placement. See you in our next lesson.